Former First Lady of Nigeria, Patience Jonathan, has earned a Doctor of Philosophy PhD in Psychology, Guidance and Counseling from Ignatius Ajuru University of Education in Rivers State. Speaking during the 43rd postgraduate convocation ceremony of the university, Patience Jonathan used the platform to encourage Nigerians, especially women and young people, to embrace lifelong learning, stressing that education has no age limit. "I feel that no age is too late to achieve your academic dreams, whether you are young or old. If I can do it, you can also do it," she declared to a cheering crowd.
It is quite tough, it's quite challenging, but God see me through. Nigerian women, which is my constituency, I just feel that no age is limited to education. To me, I will tell the Nigerian women and the youths, which is our children, that please, no age is limited.
The former First Lady, who returned to school after a time in public office, shared her personal journey as evidence that learning should never end, even in retirement. "I believe that in retirement, you are not too old to go back to school because education provides the opportunity to always refresh one's brain and learn new things," she said. She dedicated her doctorate to Nigerian women and reaffirmed her lifelong commitment to the cause of the vulnerable populations, particularly women, children and youth. With heartfelt emotion, Patience Jonathan expressed deep gratitude to her family and loved ones for their unwavering support throughout her academic journey. Her message struck a powerful chord with attendees and has since sparked conversations online about the importance of education beyond the traditional years of schooling. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.